Today is my first flight. But this morning, something almost went wrong.
Emily, wake up. It is 7:30.
7:30?
Yeah.
Our flight is at 10 sun.
Okay, family, we need to move fast.
I feel excited, but I also feel nervous. What if we are late?
Do you have your passport?
Yes, I think so. Where is it?
Check your backpack.
It is not here.
Look carefully.
It was in the small pocket. I was scared for a moment.
Passports are very important.
Yes, very important. I need to stay calm. Dad, what if there is traffic?
There might be traffic, but we will stay calm.
My heart is beating fast. Oh. I feel a little better. The airport is so big.
Yes, stay close to us.
Our airline is over there.
Wait. Is this the right line?
Let me check.
No. This line is for New York.
Oh no!
Relax, our line is next to it.
I thought we were in the wrong place.
Small mistake, big lesson. Always check twice. May I see your passports? Here you go.
Mom, where's my boarding pass?
You had it.
It was in my hand. Now it is gone.
Check your jacket.
No.
Check your backpack again.
Wait! It fell on the floor.
There it is.
I felt scared.
But you solved the problem.
Yes. I stayed calm.
Please remove your shoes.
Even shoes?
Yes.
Safety first. I feel brave now.
You are doing great.
My hands feel cold. Are you scared? A little. This is my first flight.
It is okay to feel nervous.
I will try to be brave.
Prepare for takeoff.
We are moving fast. My heart is beating again.
Hold my hand.
Okay. We are going faster. We are lifting up. The ground is getting smaller.
We are flying.
I was scared. But now, I feel amazing. The clouds look soft, like cotton.
You did it.
Yes, I felt scared, but I did not panic.
That is courage.
Courage is not about no fear. It is about trying anyway.
We are landing in Costa Rica.
We made it!
You handled your first flight very well.
I feel proud.
You stayed calm, even when you were scared.
The air feels warm. I hear birds.
Tomorrow, we go to the rainforests.
The rainforest? With monkeys?
Yes, but I heard something interesting.
What?
Some people say the jungle is very loud at night.
Loud? With what?
We will find out tomorrow.
I am ready for adventure. What if the jungle is scarier than the airplane?
Don't worry, Emily, we'll be right there with you.
And we'll have so much fun. Today, I was scared on the airplane. But I stayed calm, I took deep breaths, I was brave.
You did a good job.
Tomorrow is another big day.
Yes, tomorrow we go to the jungle. Maybe I will hear loud animals. Maybe I will see monkeys. Maybe I will feel scared again. But I will try to stay calm. What do you think will happen in the jungle? If you like slow English stories, please like this video. Please subscribe. Please share it with a friend. See you in the next adventure.